What's up, everyone? Back with another Animal Company video, and today we're gonna be reviewing the new Office update. Now, as you can see, I'm all ready for this, and I've got quite a bit of money over the past days, and I'm just gonna show you a few items. One item from the Office that's probably the most important. Yes, it is the key card. I don't know if these are going to become rare one day, like if the Office update is going to go. That's why I'm going to keep like a bag of them, or maybe just going to chuck it in there. Let's get straight on with the video. Okay guys, so I just put the key card in my stash. I'm not trying to be funny or anything, but I had like this, like you see all these crossbows in my inventory. They're actually like weird looking thingies and stuff. So we're gonna be heading over to the office now. Wait, should I grab a pickaxe? Yeah, I think I might grab a pickaxe, because if you guys don't know, you might be wondering how I got those key cards yesterday. Just to have a quick review of it, I quickly just hopped on my VR and just had a look at it. But I saw a few of these purple things that look like ores. So let me grab a pickaxe. Now I heard in this new update there are next bots. So like, yeah, there's next bots in this update, and I can't wait to see that. I don't know what they do. Apparently they jump scare you. Yeah. So let's go click the button. Boom. Click the button again. Okay, so when we arrive, we're gonna be in this place. It's kinda chill. I'm not actually gonna lie. The music kinda gives it those bad vibes though, I'm not gonna lie. So there's the next elevator, but over here is a new entity. And this is where you get the key card from. Where is it? So there's a new entity. She scrolls. Yeah, she is. Right there. So she gets mad at you. She gets a little angry at you. Oh, there's a note. Don't need that though. Another key card. That. Now, don't ask me why we need these key cards. I really don't know why. Gonna pop it now. She is kind of scary without a grapple hook, because you don't know where she is. But if you know she's getting near, then you'll hear like the scrolling sound. There's a key card on the floor over there. Yeah, like that. You hear that? There she is. And this will happen when she senses someone's here. And this will happen. She becomes super mad, and then it'll be like these arms that come out. Now she's looking at me. Let me go in front of her. Oh, I've got an idea. Oh crap. Yeah, see that? That was a bad idea. Oh. Okay, let's just get away. Is she coming towards me? Okay. Well, look at them. This is a mess. Now apparently you can kill these robots. So let's go see. Where is she? Okay, why does she disappear as soon as I need her? Like she's over here mucking around, and then as soon as I need her. Where are you? I hear her strolling. There she is. Oh my lordy lord. Yeah, you can. See ya. Oh, they dropped big crates. Yes. Okay, let's get out of here. I've got all the stuff I have. time to go to the next area. Now, this area might look a little familiar. Now, if you guys haven't played Garry's Mod, when you can actually download this map, and basically, yeah, you can download it, and it's like pretty cool. Wait, there's another area over here. Wait, oh, I didn't even see this. Is there a robot over here? Oh yeah, over there. I'm gonna kill her. Oh. Dead. There we go. Got that big crate. Got that. Might pop to kill the next spot. Yeah, might pop that. Can you pick up this clipboard? No. What is this? Alright, is there any stapler? No, you can actually pick up these items. So. Oh, frick. Did anybody just hear that? Does anybody hear that? Frick, get out of here. What is that sound? I hear somebody walking. Guys, do you hear that? It's not that like that binging sound. It's like something else. Okay, let me go on to the next level because that's kind of creepy. Oh. Okay, guys, I do not know any of this. I am just finding it now. This. Oh, a staircase. What is this? A button? Wait. What is that? What is this? Ah! Oh my god! What is that? Next spot! Yeah, that's the next spot. Get me out of here. Now with this, with the grappler, it's a lot easier. Oh my god! Get me out of here! Get me out! Holy freaking crap! Close the door! Close the door! Close the door! Close the door! Close the door, please! Hurry! Oh my goodness, guys, that was terrifying. Oh my goodness, dude. I don't want to click this button. I feel like another next spot's gonna be here. Why? Why does this game have to do this to me? Dude. Bro, freak off. Yeah, I told you, there's always, yeah. So, don't tell me. Why? Wait, research point. Okay, they give you research points. Okay. Okay, I think that's the only thing I like about them. That they give you research points. Okay, that's actually pretty good. That room's blocked. About here is the next one here. Guys, I don't want to know. What? Sorry guys, this is my mom calling me something from something. Alright, we're gonna head to the next level now. No. No. Get me out of here, guys. Another one, dude. Why did I have to yell that loud, dude? That's crazy. Okay, we're back. No. Wait, I've never actually tried. Can you kill these next mobs? Let me try it. Little bro doing? Okay. Now I know that you can actually kill them. That makes me a lot happier. Can you go faster on the... Where's the next level, dude? This is where I came from. Yes, Noodle. By the way, chat, like my new skin. Rate new skin 1 to 10. Dude, this is so annoying. Was this not just where I was? Okay, guys, this new thing is super weird. I don't know. What? Don't make me kill you again, mate. Don't. To make that weird laughing sound. Okay, what? I'm fine with them doing that. Like, it doesn't have to be any more louder. All right. Perfect. Now, oh. What was that? Why did my light just turn off? And probably there's another one here. Yeah, there is. Okay, they go much faster than I thought they could. Wait, can you? Damn it. Oh, you can! Oh, that helps. That helps. A lot. Okay, where was the way I came? No, that's the office. Okay, now, guys, this is just getting confusing now, bro. What is this? Okay, I swear I've never seen this before. I don't want to click this button, but I do at the same time. Another elevator. It goes up. Okay, this is just getting confusing. What the hell? There's these oars. What the signal? What the... Okay, that's actually weird. Okay, maybe like, guys, type down in comments what you think those leafy things are for. Mostly. Like, there's some more leafy stuff. Like, what is that for? Okay, guys, I just want to go back to base. Nope. Oh, I know. Was it this way? Dude, I'm getting confused. It's another office. Another key card. Stapler. Tape. The reason why I'm picking up all this stuff is because I bet you, here's what they do. Like, they never told us that the golden ores were gonna, you know, like low gravity ores. They never told us that they were that they were gonna go and replace with like like whatever you call it. That's why now they're rare. And no one has them. And like that's what they're probably gonna do with the office. They're probably gonna make like office stuff rare and like never tell anyone. Wait, are those scissors? Scissors! New item. I never even knew they were, Okay, can somebody, like, I'm never gonna get good at this, the ways. Can somebody in chat tell me the way to go? Like, do you know the way? Because, bro, this is getting annoying. Alright, new elevator. No, not new elevator because it's open. But, like, hopefully this is the way back. What is this? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna click this button and grapple to the roof. Are we back at base? Oh my goodness, dude. I'm about to rage. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, that's what she does. Be out of here. Oh my goodness, dude. Wait, are we back? Wait, are we back? Is this a new elevator? Okay, I'm not gonna use that elevator. Because it's not open. Guys, we made it back! Yes! Oh my goodness, guys. It's like a maze. It's basically like a... Employee of the year. More like laugher of the year. He would not shut up. Freaking sees a body. Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, thank you everyone for watching my new Animal Company video, and I hope you like it. I hope you all enjoy the new office update, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.